three things that you need to understand when you want to start your freelance career as a graphic designer or as an illustrator. First is that you need to define your niche. You need to define what you're passionate about, what you are best at, whether it is in graphic design field or a web design field or being an illustrator. Second is that you need to build your portfolio. You need to build your portfolio so that a client can understand what all you can do. Let's say if you don't have a client, then you can build a portfolio, a dummy portfolio, and put it on out there on the showcasing platforms like Behance, Adobe Portfolio. Also, for the platforms, you can reach the last video I posted on Instagram and grab the names of those showcasing platforms from there. Third is that you need to set a rate list, which defines what rate you are costing for what kind of marketing collateral. Marketing collateral, say I mean, like what kind of rate are you costing for a social media post or a banner or a brochure or a flyer, and do check what other freelancers are charging in the market so that you're not overcharging your client. Also, for more information, please read the caption.